Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are doing another Revolution review. I feel like there is quite a lot of them because they have released quite a few things and I love everything that they've released so far. So we're going to actually be focusing on this Nude Silk palette. This palette released with the other palette that I reviewed the other day, the Bare Pink one. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, very neutral with pops of pink in there as well. Whereas the other one was more focused on the pinks. This has just got like a pop in there. And I'm trying to think, like I might actually do like a spotlight eye. I feel like I haven't done that in a very long time. So let's do swatches and then we'll get into the eye look. Alright, so we have the swatches here. Now, they're pretty good. They're very nice. I love that there's so many mattes as usual. There isn't so many. There's 7 and there's 11 shimmers in here. See, it looks like there's loads of mattes when you're swatching, but in reality, there isn't. It's like with Rev, they always have this thing of doing a little bit more shimmers than mattes. I would prefer more mattes in there, but do you know what? The 7 that is in there, I can do a nice little spotlight eye. So let's just get into this eye look. Let's start off with this shade here called Caramel. I actually just used the Revolution Lock Grip. Like, I want to give it a few more tries. I do love it, but my second try, I kind of messed up using it. So I'm hoping that I just get used to how we're meant to use it, because it does make eyeshadows pop even more. But I think you just have to let it sink into your skin. And I also find the best thing to do is pat it down with your finger. Funny thing is, the review for that hasn't come up yet. I need to actually edit that video and put it up for you guys so you can see why I love it. Then let's go for the shade Chic. And let's take a bit of Confession on the outer and the inner corner. I think we should put a bit of that shade Digital in the centre. It's like a nice bronzy shade, or there's a shade called For Real, and maybe the bronzy can go on the outer, like to blend it in. Let's do For Real. It's this shade right here. Alright, time to just blend it in. Okay, that is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going to just clean it up quite quickly. And then, you know what? Let's do some base makeup together, because I haven't done that in a little while. And I have a few new like Revolution base stuff to try. So let's just try some base. Let's get to it. I don't think I've tried this primer on camera. This is the Revolution Super Base Primer. It's not the new one, I think the vitamin one that have just come out. But this is the Color Corrector Skin Base. They had a yellow one, this one, and they have a green one for redness. This one I was very intrigued by because I saw it in Luce's video and it looked so good on her skin. It like gave a nice bit of hydration. So you can see the yellow on my fingers. Like, you can see the glow. It's not even on my head yet, but you can see the glow on my skin. It's a very thick formula. Okay, and then we are going to use the Super Matte Relove foundation. I have been using this a lot this past month, like a lot. Only thing is, it's like hasn't got a pump or anything, so yeah, that's how you have to get it at. This I like so much more than Conceal and Define now. It's just so, it's less thick. Conceal and Define is so thick and I've gone off of it now. Let's use the contour stick. This is in the shade medium, I believe. Actually isn't on the stick anymore, but I believe it's medium. Haven't used this in a little while, so might as well use it now. If I haven't got new things to use, I might as well use stuff that I love from Revolution. I'm not doing like full bronzing because I'm going to go in with a powder bronzer after. This is really nice though. Now I want to use, we used this before, the Deep Plum Balm Glow. I love this. I love this. And someone has asked me in my comments, like, does it dry down? And I want to check that out because I'm not sure, you know. That's the shade, by the way. No, they're still sticky. They're not drying down, but that's fine because I powder over the top. For powder, you know, I'm just going to have to go in with the Reloaded powder. This is the balm.com. Let's just say that. My skin just still seems very luminous, which I like. Bronzer, we're going to go in with the Reloaded powder in Chestnut. That's why I was saying, like, I'm not going to put too much of that contour stick on because we are going to bronze. Even now with powder on, that Balm Glow is still a tiny bit tacky. Highlight. I don't think I have a Revolution highlight near me, so I am going to use this Anastasia iced out one. That is actually gorgeous. I'm still on the hunt for the Amrezy one because as soon as I find it on Depop, it's gone. And I'm not paying ridiculous prices on there. There is someone that's been helping me find it, so thank you. But honestly, it is ridiculous trying to find that Amrezy highlighter. I'm gonna go off, do some mascara, do my lips, do my eyebrows, and come back and tell you what I've used on my lips. But yeah, so far, I'm loving this makeup. I am in love with this eye makeup. Now let's choose an inner corner highlight. I'm thinking we should go for the shade Malibu. It really looks nice. And it's got that like gold undertone to it, which goes with the look. And is very, very pigmented. Well, that goes with the highlight too. Didn't even put a lip on. I'm thinking we use my Relove Super lip liner and lipstick. Should we go in with Fever? Perfect combo. Let's do this. Lips are finished. Let's talk about the palette. These new Forever Flawless palettes that they've come out with this year are a bit different. Like, I don't know how well you're going to see it, but they're like slightly raised here. So they go round like a square and they go in and out. It's a weird one, but love the packaging. They do retail for $12.99 and the color story is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is like a very nice everyday kind of palette, or like a going out palette too. This is a very versatile palette. The shimmers are gorgeous. The mattes blended perfectly. I find no fault. Yes, there's only 7 mattes in here, but to be fair, you've got 3 deep mattes and 2 light mattes and like 2 mediums, so you've got enough to do either an everyday look or a night look. You can take this from day to night. It is the perfect palette for that. I love the shimmers. They've worked beautifully in here. They go on gorgeous and they've got a nice array. You've got a light gold, a gold, a bronzy gold, you've got a khaki green deep kind of color, you've got this like black shimmer here, you've got what are they called, like a deep reddy bronze kind of color. I love all the shades in here and it's absolutely stunning. So I actually don't know which one of the palettes I prefer more. I love them both and I love the looks that I've created with both of them. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.